time here at Encore Performance Dance Studios in Chantilly, Virginia. Look who I got with me. I got the talented dancer and entrepreneur, Miss Lauren. We're going to show you a very cool move. It's one move done 3 different ways, so you've really got 3 in 1. It's called the Spring Whip 2.0. We're going to show you the first basic move, and then we'll show you all of them with the added variations. First, what's your push? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just the basic move first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's just your basic, okay? Very easy to lead, very fun to do, slow song, fast song. How it begins. You're going to use her left hand, my right. You're going to bring it by on your left side for 3. There's 3 steps. So as she starts on 1, raise her left, just to get up ready for the prepare. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm extending my left knee out, right foot out, catching the back of her right elbow to stop her on 3. So we'll go this way so you can see. Just pull her through. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And that's it. She doesn't make sure she does 3 steps. We'll go front to back. Pull her through after a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. As soon as you get her on 3, you're going to put her back on her left foot on 4, and then she's going to finish with some triples. So we'll go this direction, just getting into it. So 1, 2, 3, bring her back to 4. As soon as she does to 4, turn her to the left, triple, get her hand, put your hand on her hip, just to give her an assist, either on the lower part of her back, maybe upper part of her back, depending on her. So one sugar push. It's a real quick move. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, hand down low. If you don't give her that assist, her turn's going to stay pretty much in place. So front to back, just the whole move. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. I'm doing the same footwork as she is, except she's doing more fun things than me. Now, we're going to change it up a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to add some pulses to it. So if the music calls for it, this works really well. I'm sorry, sugar push. 3 and 4. We're going to get to 3 again. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're just going to add pulse. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. I'd say it's a set number, but you can do more or less depending on the song. So when you get her to 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, just push her back. Rock. And then when you want her to finish, she's got to come back on her left foot. And then the ending is the same as the first move, except we've added these little rocks. Okay? Now we can slow it down. Sugar push. Sugar push. Always do a move. So we get to 3. 1, 2, 3. But we're going to do 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. See how I sped up the 8th step so she finishes and she knows the moves are done. Okay. All 3. We'll go just this direction all 3. Sugar push. 2, 3, 4. First move, the basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, center back, triple. She's doing all the work. Sugar push. Now we're going to do it with the rocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After the video is going to hit me. Sugar push. Now we're going to do it slowing it down. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So that's slowing down, find a slow song for it, for the rocks, find a good beat to it, okay? Spring Whip 2.0 with 3 variations. So what does Miss Lauren do besides helping record videos? She's a...
Hi, I'm Lauren Green. My company is Dancing with Markers, and I am a facilitation and coaching practice based in the DC area. And now that so many of our meetings are online, I am based globally and excited to help you with your next leadership offsite, team offsite, and anything you're trying to do online.
I'll put all of her information, her social media outlets, in the description box. Please check her out. She's a very talented lady. Helping her out would help me out as well. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great week. And as always,
keep dancing.